POV, you're 32, recently single. You re-download Hinge on a Tuesday at 11 p.m. 3 days later, you match with her. Her name is Sophia. Profile picture, beautiful but believable. Not a model, not perfect. She has freckles. She's in Boston, 12 miles from you. Her job, financial analyst at a firm you've never heard of. Her bio is funny. She has a dog. She likes climbing. She likes red wine. 3 minutes after you match, she sends the first message. Wait, you actually have good taste in books? Are you real? You laugh. You write back. Within 24 hours, you're texting all day. She's witty. She's interested. She asks about your job, your family, your hobbies. 6 days in, you've moved off Hinge and onto WhatsApp. 10 days in, she casually mentions she's been doing well with crypto trading. Not pushy, just mentions it. You ask what she's into. She's vague. She says her uncle is a quant at a Singapore hedge fund and shares signals with her. 12 days in, she says her dog is sick. She has to delay your first in-person date. Sad face emoji. 2 weeks in, she casually shares a screenshot. Her crypto account. $47,000 in profit. Last 30 days, she's not bragging. She's just sharing her life. You ask how. She gives you a referral link. Honestly, babe, I don't trust most platforms, but this one is solid. Use my referral, you'll get a sign-up bonus. Start with like 500 just to see how it works. You sign up, you deposit 500. The dashboard looks beautiful, modern, real. There's a Trustpilot rating in the corner. 4.8 stars, 12,000 reviews. The trades the platform recommends are winning. By day 3, you've turned 500 into 850. By day 5, your balance is 2,200. You're hooked. You add 5,000 more. 3 weeks in, your dashboard shows 17,000. Sophia is impressed. Excited for you. She says her uncle just shared a private whale alert. A big move coming. She's putting in 100,000. She suggests you put in everything you can. You panic borrow against your 401k. You add 80,000. The dashboard shows your balance at 104,000. Inside 3 days. Then you try to withdraw. The platform asks for a 20% tax verification fee, $20,000. To unlock the withdrawal, you don't have it, you're confused. You ask Sophia. She says, babe, that's normal. It's a regulatory thing. I had to do the same. Just borrow it. You'll have it back in 24 hours. You borrow another 20,000 from a personal loan. You pay the fee. The platform asks for a second fee. Anti-money laundering verification, 8,000. You break. You go silent on Sophia. You text her, I think this is a scam. She doesn't respond. You check her Hinge profile. Gone. WhatsApp. Number blocked. You search her photos on Google reverse image. Stolen. From a Brazilian woman named Camilla, who has no idea her face is being used. Sophia never existed. The trading platform, fake. The $47,000 profit screenshot, photoshopped. The Trustpilot rating, bought. The dashboard, a custom app a Cambodian developer built for $900. Your $108,000 is gone. Forever. There is no recovery. You just lost it to a scam center in Sihanoukville, Cambodia, where a young Indonesian man, also a victim, trafficked into scam slavery, sat in front of 3 screens texting 27 different American men at the same time, pretending to be Sophia, Madison, Hannah, and Olivia. The scam has a name. It's called pig butchering, translated from the Chinese, sha zhu pan. The pig is you. They fatten you up emotionally for weeks, then they slaughter you in 3 days. The FBI lost over $5.2 billion to pig butchering in 2025 alone. The average victim, male, 30 to 55, divorced or recently single, has more than $50,000 in savings, considers himself too smart to be scammed. If a beautiful stranger ever messages you first, if she's slightly out of your league, if she pivots to crypto within 2 weeks, if she shares a screenshot of profits, if a fee appears between you and your money, stop, block, walk away. The pig butchers are reading this video too. They'll just go find another pig.